Hello everyone and welcome to this special presentation titled The Complete Stock Market Masterclass. You got it, that's right. At VectorVest we've developed a brand new course and we are super excited at the opportunity that this is going to present to each and every single one of you. This masterclass will teach you the effective common sense strategies and techniques that have helped thousands of investors consistently make money in the stock market through bull and bear markets. Successful investing is the ultimate way to level up financially, and this masterclass will show you the right way to do it. So that brings us to the when. When is this going to happen? This is coming up very quickly. It's going to be this coming Friday, September 30th, 2022. In the course, the what? What will be covered? Many exciting things to talk about here, but certainly the highlight for me, the most exciting thing, is that Dr. DeLito will be in fact delivering a couple of keynote presentations. Of course, the opening message from our founder, Dr. Bart DeLito, along with, we're going to sprinkle in some of his very best presentations from over the years into a lot of the lunches or breaks in lunch. And that is fantastic. Super excited about that. And along with that, the whole morning is really built on giving you the building blocks to be a successful investor using VectorVest. We're going to restate our core philosophy. We're going to cover the proprietary indicators for ranking and analyzing stocks. And we're going to teach you the ultimate art form of buying low and selling high. What does it really mean? And how do we really do it? Then Jim Penn is going to come up and really set things on fire by showing you how to build a winning stock portfolio, which, folks, really begins with buying the right stocks. That's how you get out of the gates effectively, but also some very meaningful risk management strategies to get the job done. We'll have a lunch, and after that, boy, we really dig in. We're going to be talking about powerful tools to build rules-based trading systems. There's many powerful tools in VectorVest. All you need to know is where they are and how to use them. And then once we know that, we can build, test, and even deploy dynamic trading systems right in VectorVest and even link them to a broker if we so desire. And then the final presentation of the day is just that daily drill on, all right, I've launched my system. What do I need to know to make sure I don't fall off the train tracks? So why should I consider this event at all? It's going to ultimately, guys, free up time, reduce stress and emotion, and produce superior results. Forget better. I mean, you are going to be beating the pants off of the Wall Street experts. Here's a quick example of that. Boy, you can see there in the really light blue shading, we have a time-tested, proven methodology to do 10 times market performance. And that is something that nobody else has, nobody else does it, nobody else can do it. You're going to see it on full front and center stage at this event. Ultimately, it's down to the system. The system is going to determine your success, so we're going to be talking a lot about when to buy. What is going to be the timing that I want to look at as an individual? Then what do I want to buy? And most importantly, where the rubber meets the road is what Dr. DeLito would say, coming from the tire business. When do I sell a position that's gone a bit awry? Or even to lock profits in to make sure that I don't give back that hard-earned capital. So what we really mean when we talk about when to buy is picking the right timing signal and the right timing signal for you. So we're going to talk about the benefits of each signal and how it pertains to you as a particular individual investor. We're then going to tie in the appropriate unisearch strategies that are consistent with the timing models that you're picking so that you can get the best results. And most importantly, again, how to choose the right stop loss based on those other two attributes to really get the job done to the best of your possible ability. All right, so that can give you results like this. This is going to be an example right from the summit. It's up a paltry 1,100% since the beginning of 2019. That is 299% annualized rate of return, over 96% compounded rate of return. However you want to slice it and dice it, fine by me. If anybody knows the rule of 72, you take that number, you divide it into 72, and that tells you how long it takes you to double your investment. And if you do the quick math, it's happening in less than a year. The secret weapon is what gets the job done. And so we're going to be talking a lot about that in terms of the when to buy. We're also going to be breaking down this investment matrix to an even higher degree to make sure you understand you're picking the right stocks for you. You can see the target right there in the prudent category. That's where you get the best of both worlds. You get the upside potential and you get some safety in every single stock that you trade. And that's where most folks really ought to be. But if you're aggressive, more conservative, or speculative in nature, boy, we got some blockbuster strategies and techniques to talk about for each one of those styles of investing. Choosing the right stop loss that's going to let the winners run and cut the losers efficiently. I'm not going to say quickly here because sometimes being most efficient needs to be given these a little bit of room. You don't want to let them run rampant against you, but you want to do so efficiently so that your winners really run and you're cutting losers efficiently enough to get the kind of returns we're talking about in this presentation. So don't wait. Now is the time. Now is the time to reserve your spot. And not just your spot. Talk to your friends. Talk to your family. Get them here. Guys, college football is kicked back off, right? And if 110,000 people are going to go watch Michigan beat the brakes off of Kent State for 3 meaningless hours, why can't we put 110,000 people into this class? Let's get them there. All they got to do is go to www.vectorvest.com/masterclass. That's going to take you to this page here. A little bit more insight on the course below the fold. Once you click on register now, 3 quick pieces of information. First name, last name, email. It's free. Did I mention it's free? It's free. Let's get butts in seats. Let's get people to this event. And you want to know why? It's going to change their life. It's going to change yours, and it's going to change theirs. And I'll see you there.